connected to both the lists. So if I add list 1 dot append of 10, this element also will be added to the list 2 also. So list element, brackets, 6, comma is important. Okay. If I do not give the comma here, what is the type of this one? Integer type. Yes, T4. We can display the T4 now. Like that, we can also use like T4 is equal to T3 plus some more elements like 10, 20, 30. Like this also you can also give T4. So you can add a single element or multiple elements. But by adding, for adding this single element, you have to provide the comma. So like that, we can also use the repetition. Okay. Sorry guys. So repetition like T5 is equal to, let us say I have hello. So if I give here T5 multiplied by 5, what will happen? Repeatedly, those 5 times that hello will be repeated. Repetition. Like that, we can also use the membership operator. Membership. So for example, if I give here 4 uh, 4 in so membership, slicing, repetition, all are same like our list and strings. So if I give tuple 1 of colon 5, what will happen? From beginning to 5 minus 1, that is 4. Tuple 1 of, let us say, have 2 to ending. It's going to print all the elements from the second element onwards. 0, 1, 2, 30, 40 to end. So negative indexing also can be given. So like that, you can also give tuple 1 of minus 6 to minus 4. What will happen now? It's going to print 30 and 40. Minus 6 and minus 4. So slicing is also same like our strings and lists, guys. There is no need to explain it again. So tuple methods. Tuple methods or length is there to get the length of the number of elements of the tuple. Length is there, and then tuple is there. Tuple is a method which is used to create a new. So this is used create a tuple, empty tuple, to create an empty tuple. If no argument is passed. Okay. And we have counter. So it is also like our returns the number of elements. Number of times the given element is found. index function. So it returns the index of the first occurrence of the element in the tuple. So like sorted, same like sorted. We have the same. And then also we have min, max, and then sum is also available. So these are the different tuple methods, guys, commonly used tuple methods. Done? Okay. Now dictionaries, guys. So dictionary fall under which type of data type? Mapping. Mapping data type. Okay. Okay, guys. Dictionaries. So dictionary is fall under which map, which is that mapping data type, right? Mapping data type. So it is a mapping between a set of keys and set of values, guys. So it is a mapping between a set of keys and a set of values. That is called the key value pair. The key value pair is called an item. And a key is separated by colon. Colon. That is colon. This one. Okay. To create an empty dictionary, you can have this, for example, dict1 is equal to like this. What is flower brackets? Where is that? Okay, like this. And we can also use a dict function. Dict2 is equal to dict of like this. We want to create an empty list, empty dictionary. Okay, shall we go to the practicals now? Say, for example, if you want to create an empty dictionary, you can use it flower brackets open and close. Or else by using dict function or method, we can also create an empty dictionary. Okay, let me go to this Jupyter notebook. Here, if I wanted to create an empty dictionary here, see here, if I use dict1 here, it is going to create an empty dictionary. So you can also check whether what type of this dict1 is of. You can also print it. Okay, dictionary type. Like that, you can also use dict1 is equal to dict of. It is only a function. So you can also use the dict method to create an empty dictionary. Okay. Let us say I have a dict3 which contains like names Mohan, some 95, Pavan, colon. See, it's a key. Mohan is a key. 95 is a value, guys. So key value pair is called an item. This is one single item. Then Pavan 89, Raj 92, Anant something like 85. So these are the key value pairs, guys. Key value pairs. Remember this point. Key value. What is the key here? All these are the keys. This is a key. This is a key. And this is a value. And this is a key. And this is a value. This is the key. And this is a value. And this is the key. And this is a value. Key value pair. So this is called a single item. This is called a single item. So a key value pair is called a dictionary. If we want to get the value of Raj now, so dict3 of Raj. So you can get the 92 value can be retrieved with the help of a key now. If I give here dict3 of Ganesh, what will happen, guys? It's not there, right? So it's going to key error. It's going to display that key error. Key this Ganesh is not available in this dictionary. So if I give this Anand here, it's going to get 85. So to extract the value from the dictionary, you can pass the key. Now tell me, dictionaries are mutable or immutable? Mutable. So dictionaries are mutable type. So can I change the value of Anant now? Dict 3 of Anant is 100. Can I change it? Yes, we can happily change it. So now, if you print that dict 3 now, it's going to print here Ananth. What happened, guys? Oh, sorry, guys. I have to give is equal to symbol. By mistake, I gave this colon. Okay, now see here it is changed, right? So that is a mutable. We can change the dictionary after creating the dictionary. So like that, we can also check. For example, if I want to check is Raj, let us say Raj in dict 1. Is Raj in dict 1? Sorry, dict 3. It's true. Raj is there already, right? So you can use the membership operator. And to traverse these elements, for example, if I want to traverse these elements, you can use a for key in dict 3 and then you can print all the keys and values here, guys. So key, comma, colon, you can give printing this colon here. Dict 1 of that key. So it's going to print all the somewhere some problem happened. Dict 3, right? Not dict 1, dict 3. Okay, fine. So we can get all the keys by using for loop here. Keys and values here. So this is a key, printing key, and printing the value within that key. That is value is 95, 89, 90 to 100. So that is how we can use the traversal. And one more method is there is another way to get the values. See, for example, there is a method called items, guys. So for key comma value, directly if you want to get dict 3 dot items is a method. So you can print directly here the value and key both. Where is that? This one you can print it directly. Same as like the above one, but here we used both. Instead of this one, can directly give value like this. Because we extracted this key and value within the for loop itself, guys. Here, this key and value are extracted from this dict 3 of items. So items gives us keys and values both. So printing key and printing value directly. See, for example, guys, if you want to add one more item inside that dict 3, for example, I want to give here dict 3 of some Ganesh is equal to 95. So now it is going to add a new. So dict 3 now contains Ganesh also. So this one last item is the dict In the dict3, we assigned Ganesh with a 95. Created a new item inside this dict3. So you need to remember this. This one is important, guys. This one is important. The dict3 dot items. It retrieves the both keys and values. Okay. Now methods. Sorry. Dictionary methods, guys. Length is there. So that is used to get the number of items in the dictionary. For example, if I give here length of dict3, what will happen, guys? How many number of items? 5. 5 is the length of this dictionary. Okay. Sorry. Length method, then length of dict3. Likewise, we have dict method. Already you know that to create an empty dictionary. So creates a dictionary from a sequence of key value pairs. For example, if I wanted to, okay, let us say I have pair 1. Pair 1 is equal to some variable which contains, that should contain like this, guys. So Mohan, comma 95, and then Raj, comma 92, and then Nitin, comma colon 89, Karthik. This is the, then let us say 85. Then Anant, 95, 98. Tell me, guys, what is this? What data type it is now? Pair 1. It's a list, right? It's a list containing tuples. It's a list collection of tuples. So this is one tuple, this is one tuple, this is one tuple, this is one tuple, this is one tuple. All are within the list. This is the list. Now, if you want to make a dictionary out of this list here, so directly you can use that. So here, dict1 is equal to dict of pair 1, like this. So now dict1 becomes here ఇక్కడ కదమ్మా, ఓకే రైట్, కామా, ఓకే. Still I have an error. Oh, sorry. This is not a dictionary, right? So this is, we have to give commas here. Now it can be created like this. So here dict1 is created with the help of a dict method by passing this list. But that list is containing some tuples. Now if you want to check the type of this pair one, what is the type here? It is a list, right? This is a list. So if you execute this, list is a list. So if you print this, now it is a dictionary. So we have a length method, dict method, and also keys method. Keys. 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 So this returns a list of keys in the dictionary. So for example, if I give here dict1 dot keys, what will happen, guys? It is going to give us all the keys. So what type of data it is now? It is a list. So whenever you find this square brackets, that is a list. Like that, values, if you want to get the values, so values method returns a list of values in the dictionary. Okay. So here, if I give here dict1 dot values, what happens, guys? Here, all the values from the dictionary. Dict values. Like that, if you want to get dict1 dot, okay, there is another method called items. So items returns a list of tuples, that is key and value pair. So for example, if I give here dict1 dot items, what will happen here? See here. It returns a list of tuples, right? This is a list of tuples. Items method is used to return a list of tuples like a key value pair. So there is a method called get method, guys. Get method. So this returns the value corresponding to the key passed as an argument, as argument. Okay. So for example, dict1 dot get of, for example, if I give Anand, what will happen? You're going to get the value corresponding to the given key. Let us say I have 1 second, guys. I wanted to. Okay, this one. Okay, created a dictionary of dict1. Let us say dict1 is this one, and dict2 contains some more elements. That is Ram 90, Ganesh 99. See here, if you want to update the first dictionary with the second one, so there is an method called update method. So dict1 dot update of dict2 we can give like this. So update method is used to append the values, the key values. So if I print here dict1, what will happen? It is going to add these two items. Understood, guys? So update method appends the key value pair of the dictionary passed as an argument to the dictionary. This is the method update method, guys. Delete, if you want to delete an item from the dictionary. So del of dict1 of Ram. For example, if I give Ram here, what will happen? Ram will be deleted from that. So now, if you print that dict1, now Ram is not there. Ram is removed from the dictionary. So del method is used to delete an item from the dictionary. So del method deletes the item with the given key. But whereas if you give here del dict1, what will happen? It is going to remove the entire dictionary from the memory. So here, to delete the dictionary from the memory. Okay. So we can use this del of the dictionary name. If you want to see, this deletes the dictionary from the memory, right? I don't want to delete the dictionary from the memory, but I wanted to remove all the elements, all the items, right? So for that one, dict1.clear is there. Clear method is there. So it clears the, deletes or clears all the items of the dictionary. Items of the dictionary. Dict one will be there in the memory, but items won't be there. Do you have the system now? Now I'm giving a small exercise, guys. You can do now itself. Create a dictionary. Create a dictionary. Like name is even. Even is the dictionary name, guys. Of even numbers between 2 and 10, where key is the decimal number and value is the corresponding number in words, guys, and perform the following operations. Operations number 1, display the keys. Number 2, display the values. Number 4, display the items. Number 5, check whether 8 is present or not. Retrieve the value corresponding to the key 8. Let us say I have created even is a dictionary which contains a dictionary like 2, 2, 4, 4 in words, guys. 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10. So this is the dictionary, guys. Now you perform all the above operations. Display the keys, display the values, display the items, display the check the whether the item is there or not. That is the 8 is there or not. And you can also perform the last operation. Seventh one is delete the item from the dictionary corresponding to the key 9 or 8, sorry, because 9 is not there, 8. Can you do these operations? Simple, right? One more exercise, guys. Create a dictionary with keys as subject names, and values as marks, guys. Print each subject and its marks by using for loop. Can I do that? Create a dictionary with keys as subject names and values as marks. Print each subject and its marks. I already told you example. We can use that.
Okay, guys. See, for example, I am creating a simple app application to store the student marks by the users, or else you can also create a simple app that stores student names and their marks, allows adding, updating, and viewing results. Can you do this? Like yesterday I told you, right? While loop, while true, then only three options. One is for adding, two is for updating, three is for view. Can you practice this? Nitin? Yeah, I will share this file, no problem. Can I write this program or shall I write this program? Very good. Okay, you can practice this. See, there are three options can be asked from the user. One is to add a new student. First of all, you need to create, where is this? You need to create a student's dictionary, empty dictionary, guys. How to create a student empty dictionary here? Just like this. Then ask the user, enter choice 1 to create a new student. Enter 2 for updating. Enter 3 for viewing. Okay. If you use 4, you have to exit from the loop while true condition. Okay. So one is for add a new student. Student. 2 is for update. Update an existing student. 3 is for viewing. View all students. 4 is to exit. That's it. So I have given it three exercises, guys. One is this one, even numbers. The other one is creating keys and subject names as marks, is printing those. And now it's a program to display, ask the user to enter the choices. Okay, guys, we'll meet tomorrow and then we will move to the next topic tomorrow. Actually, object-oriented programming concept is not there in our syllabus, but I will tell you tomorrow that concept, guys. Okay? Oops. Python only. Why again Java? Java, C++ onwards, that is object-oriented programming languages. This I will tell you the concepts with examples tomorrow about the OOPS concepts. And we don't have classes on Friday and Saturday, guys. Good Friday. Saturday is a weekend. In fact, I'm going to my hometown, so I'm not able to take the classes. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 days. We'll meet on Monday again. But tomorrow there will be a class, guys. See, those who want to learn programming um, can concentrate fully on this Python, guys. Those who are facing difficulty to write programs, they can concentrate fully on SQL. Okay. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow we'll meet again.